So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the button here 2 times. Once you do that, the screen gonna pop up. And you see this button here? So what you do is gonna push it into say trip A. Then after that, you're gonna turn off. And what you're gonna do is hold this down, and you're gonna press the power button 2 times. And you come up here, you see it say reset and maintain light. So keep holding it. And when you see that come on, it means it's finished. And the other thing you need to do is reset on here too. So what you're gonna do is, for example, if you were here like this, you can do setup, vehicle, maintenance, and you just do reset all. Yes. And that's it.